So our last step is to get our tail assembly, bag 122, and with the tail wire. Oops. And we'll go ahead and loosen up this set screw. Stick the tail wire down into the connector, and then we will tighten up this screw until it pinches the wire firmly in place, like that. Next, we'll put the SD card into the Raspberry Pi. We can do that right here. Push that in, and it's just a sit in place. It doesn't spring or anything like that. Then we'll get our collar interface and come around to the front of the robot, and we'll plug the collar interface into the port on the front electronics module. Make sure that's in there nice and snug. Like that. And then finally, all we need is a power source. And we can begin to use our Therabot. So you can use a battery or an external power source. Connect that. Our robot is ready for testing. To test the robot, we'll just turn it on.